Hey, what are you two doing? Polly? Peggy? You two look pretty guilty. What are you two up to? Look at that. Looks like you're destroying the Christmas tree again, aren't you? Yes, you are. That's naughty kittens. You need a new home. Polly? You both need new homes, don't you? No, get back here. Well, that's Peggy right there. Getting ready to pick another ornament to pull off. And that is Polly. They both are looking for homes in the Minnesota or Wisconsin area, or if anybody has a transport, I'm willing to go for that if it's safe. They're about 8 months old, long-haired, medium-haired, very friendly. I'd like if they could go together too. Again, there's Polly and Peggy.